Hello everyone. By end of this PPT presentation, we are going to learn about the library management system. And I am VC Manimaran from ECE B section, and my teammates are Lokesh, Hariharan and Kriti Krishnan. The implementation of library management starts with entering and updating master records like book details, library informations. Any other transaction like book issue, book return will automatically update the current books. It will track on how many books available in library and books issued to the students. And the purpose of this project is to provide a friendly environment to maintain the details of books and library members. The main purpose of this project is to maintain easy circulation system using computers and to provide different reports. Improved customer service through greater access to accurate information, greater accountability and transparency in operation. Next, I am handovering the topic to Kriti Krishnan.
Scope. The document only covers the requirement specification for the library management system. This document doesn't provide any other information about library management system. This document doesn't provide any reference to the other component of the library management system. All the dependencies are also identified in this document. The project is basically updating the manual library system into a software-based application so that the user can know the detail of their account, availability of books, etc. User characteristics. We have two levels of user. One, user side. In user side, user will check the availability of books, book returns. Second one, administration side. The following are the submodules in the administration side. Register user, entry book detail, book issue.
Requirements for library management. The first requirement is functional requirement. Book entry. In this module, we can store the details of books. Register student. In this module, we can keep the details of the new student. Book issue. This module is used to keep a track of book issue details. Book return. This module enables to keep a track of return the books. And the next requirements is user requirements. The software provides good graphical interface for any administrator performing the required tasks such as create, update, and viewing the details of the book. Allows user to view quick reports like book in between particular time. Stock verification in different criteria or different categories. Search faculty based on different criteria in depth. And the next requirement is system requirements. The system should prompt for the user and administrator to log in to the application and for proper input criteria. And the next is hardware requirements. Operating system Windows, hard disk 40 GB, RAM 256 MB, processor Pentium.
Here is the non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements is of three types: safety requirements, security requirements, hardware constraints. First, security requirements. The database may get crashed at any certain time due to the virus or operating system failure. Therefore, it is required to take the database backup. Second, security requirements. We are going to develop a secured database for the university. Depending upon the category of the user, the access rights are decided. It means if the user is administrator, then he can be able to modify the data, delete, append, etc. All other users other than library staff only have the rights to retrieve the information about database. Third, hardware constraints. The system requires a database in order to store persistent data. The database should have a backup capabilities. Software requirements. Software requirements is of two types: Java language and the second one is MS SQL Server 2005. The final one is overall description. The proposed library management system will take care of the current book detail at any point of time. The book issue, book return will update the current book details automatically so that the user will get the update current book details. The main purpose of this project is to reduce the manual work. This software is capable of managing book issues, returns, and calculating or managing fine, generating the various reports for record keeping according to end user requirements. Thank you.